what's up guys? So, bago tayo magsimula sa ating intro, ngayon ay may sasabihin lang ako. So, pasensya na kayo dun sa audio kasi ginamit ko lang yung record or yung voice over dito sa CapCut. So, that's all. Kasi nagka-problema ako dun sa music at saka dun sa boses ko dun sa video. Kaya, that's all. Thank you guys. So, let's go to the intro and watch our gaming in a tiny room. And also, keep updated na baka maiba uli ang laro natin sa second spin the wheel natin ulit. That's all. Hello guys! So, ito na nga yung chapter 1.2 natin and ito na nga yun, no? So, ang ginawa ko yun, unscrew ko yan, tapos tinanggal ko yun. Doon pala yung screw. Kala ko kung ano. So, hindi ko na-video talaga yun, sayang. So, ngayon, I am figuring out this code. So, let's do this, guys. Alam niyo naman tayo, guys, diba? So, let's put 2, 3, 4 muna. Siguro, ito is 1 and 2. Edi yung 2, tapos yung pyramid. Tapos 5, 6, 3. Siguro ito yung 5 and 6, yung plus, and yung box. That's so tricky. Kasi nga, nung hinanap ko talaga yan, ang hirap, guys. So, ito na nga, oh. Mabubuksan na natin yung laptop. Tingnan natin kung ano meron. Ito ay offline naman to, guys. Hindi pa ako nag-cheat ng naghahanap lang tayo ng kung ano. Ito na, guys. Let's go. So, yan na nga. So, tingnan natin to. No network. Okay. It's empty. Okay. Saan ba tayo makakita? Oh my God. Sorry guys, may napindot tayo. Oh my God, yung dinosaur.
Stop it.
It's empty. Okay, I don't have time to play games. Sorry naman. So, it's empty. Okay. Ayun. Yun pala yung para doon. Para pala yun doon. Yung basta. Yung yung libro. Siguro siya yung key, I guess. Let's go na doon sa, pindutin natin to, and let's move this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, tapos 5.
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
1. Okay, isa pa. 1. Ayun, siya pala yung key. Nice one, guys. So, namumove na to. So, there's scratches on the floor. Do they mean there's a secret on the door? Okay, there's a secret and I wanted to know what is it. So, kailangan nating, okay, wala dito. There's a crowbar. And there's a ladder. And block. Oh, okay. Lock siya. Okay. Okay, let's go siguro sa meron sa labas. And akit tayo and then use the crowbar. There you go. And let's go na sa attic and kunin natin tong painting. Wait lang. Okay, according to the floor plan. Ano ba yan? Hindi pala yan napipindot. Kailangan napipindot para sa something for clues. So, kunin na natin to and let's go down na sa attic. Yan. And let's move this painting. Baka siguro ito yung paraan para okay. Ayun. There you go. Oh my God, ang dilim. Paano to? I cannot see anything. So, hindi ko alam kung paano yung bubuksan. So, let's explore for more. Okay, various floors. Okay, wala dito ilaw. Except for that one. Okay, let's libot tayo dito. Wala. Okay, wala. Naghanap tayo ng ilaw, guys. We are figuring out how to open this one. Kasi, ang hirap talaga, guys. Lalo na, oh my god. Okay, so, testing natin pumunta ulit doon. Mamaya. Wala din dito sa painting. So, tingnan na natin dito. Pindutin natin to. Ayun. Nice one. Ayan. There you go. Now that's better. Boxes. Okay. You cannot read the text because it's blurred. Boxes. Okay. Meron dong nakita natin picture tsaka yung ano. Just close up. Okay. So, oh my god! Oh my god! Sa kakakalikot natin. Lagi tayo may nabubuksan. So, oh my god! Guys, okay. 1901-85. 1901-85. 19. Ay, sorry po guys ah. 19. Okay. This may take a while. So, let's do the edits. Yan na. There you go. There's a key that will clarify. Oh my god! Ito ba ay para dun sa lock or something? Mayroon siyang number and I guess it wasn't for the pero tingnan natin baka yun siya eh. Pero parang hindi nasa may taas siya. So, alis na tayo. Mamaya, tingnan natin na muna kung gagana yung key. And dun sa, okay, sa block. 1302. Okay, hindi siya nagana. So, kahit anong gawin ko. So, let's go na. Out na tayo. Bank deposit. Okay. It's time to go to the car. Sorry. Okay, hindi pala siya doon. So, ayan, let's go na. And, sheesh, guys, oh my god! Makapunta na tayo sa chapter 2! And see you in the next chapter ulit sa video. Kung ito'y lalabas sa ating spin the wheel. So, thank you for watching, guys. Hope you have a good time and good evening again and good day. So, thank you guys for watching.